Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make gaming overlay in Canva. First, open Canva in your web browser and log into your account. Once you are inside the Canva dashboard, look at the left side of the screen. Click on the Templates option. This will open a large library of design templates that you can use for different purposes. Now move your attention to the search bar at the top of the Templates page. Click inside the search bar and type the words Gaming Overlay. After typing it, press Enter on your keyboard. Canva will now load many different gaming overlay designs. You will notice that there are hundreds of templates available. Some of these templates are free while many others require a Canva Pro subscription. Upgrading to a paid plan can give you access to a larger collection of designs, but you can still find good free options if you scroll through the list. Take your time and look through the available templates. When you find a design that matches the style you want for your stream, click on it. After clicking the template, a preview window will appear. In this window, you will see a button that says Customize this template. Click on that button to open the Canva editor. Inside the editor, you will see the full overlay layout. Most gaming overlays include a space for your webcam, a large area in the middle for your gameplay, and sometimes a section for live chat. You can click on any element in the design to edit it. For example, you can change the colors, adjust shapes, or move elements around the screen. You can also add your channel name, your contact email, or any social media handles you want viewers to see. Simply click on the text boxes and type your own information. Once you finish editing the overlay, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. Then choose Download. Select PNG or any other file type you prefer and download the overlay to your computer. Thanks for watching.